Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. And because last time the tutorial video about the LG bumper, the people are saying like the speed is too fast, so they are not be able to see clearly. So today I'm going to do it one more time, but slowly and clearly, and show you how to make this Arena style LG bumper. So let's start with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so I think for the most question for last tutorial video is only about how to install the O-ring. So for this 3 plates, I don't think it's gonna be any problem for how to do it, because I think it's all about these 3 plates. I think I explained clear enough in the last video. So if you still have a question, you can take that video one more time. I would put that video in end of the video, so you can click that and check that one more time. So today we're gonna focusing on just the O-ring, how to install the O-ring. Okay, so let's start the O-ring tutorial. Okay, so before the video start, if you're interested on this type of the uncut version Arena style LG bumper, please remember to go back to the last previous LG bumper video, the tutorial, and just hit the like button on that video. And as long as there's 200 likes total from the Chinese version and English version 2 videos, and I will release how to make this uncut version Arena style LG bumper. Alright, okay, so here you can see I have 113 O-ring and 119mm O-rings, and this is what we're gonna use. So first we're gonna take the 19 and just gonna pull it, put it over here, and we're gonna put it in the bottom spot. Okay, so we just pull it like over here and just push that down. Okay, so that's at the, we can put it over here first for this spot right over here. Okay, so you can see that's at the bottom, and then we'll put this plates on. Okay, then we just take it and go turn over it. Okay, and then try to push that down. Okay. Okay, just make sure that's tight at the bottom as well. Okay, so here is the part, the difficult part, though. That's why I just make it quick, because it spent me a lot of time to just push that down. But here I try to make it as quick as possible, not wasting your time. Okay, so just push. And then push again, because now it's to the second and we need to push all the way down. Because each level, there's a 3 level if you check the video, and each level it's for the different O-rings. So that's why we want to make sure it's at the right spot. Okay, so now you can see, oops, it's at the bottom right now. Okay, so that's at the bottom. Okay, and next we're gonna using the 13, and the 13 we just do the same thing, and this time is to the middle. Okay, to the middle. Okay, and then just twist it, cross over, and make sure that's at the second middle spot. Okay, you can see now is at the middle. Okay, and over here, the easiest way to do this is pull it. Actually, okay, and just hold out your finger and twist it just like that. See it? So it's tied it like this. Okay, like crossover, like ace, like S, sorry. Because see, after we tied it, actually it already can move like this, right? It can already move like the AT. So, but the top, we're still gonna using here is the final, the 19, and we're gonna do exactly same thing as the 13. Okay, and this we can straight just using the finger and cross over it, and then do here one more time. Okay, it's complete, and no speed up, everything normal speed. Okay, so here this is the Oring tutorial. All right, so I believe right now you know how to make the arena style LG bumpers. All right, okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.